How to add Mantle Network to Metamask. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add Mantle Network to Metamask. For that, first of all, you'll need to open your Metamask application on your mobile device, and here make sure you have accessed your Metamask account. And once you reach to this page, you're at the bottom next to swap icon, you'll find the browser icon. Tap on this browser icon. And now you will be taken to a browser. Once the browser opens, on the address bar, you need to type in chainlist.org. Once you have typed in this keyword, now search for it. Once you reach to this page, you scroll down and here tap on this button, search networks. There you need to type in Mantle. After doing that, you'll find the search results at the bottom. Here once you find the Mantle network, you need to tap on this connect wallet button. Tap on this connect wallet and here select your Metamask account. If you have multiple accounts, you may also connect multiple accounts. If not, you can just connect only one account. Once you have selected the account, tap on this connect button at the bottom right. And you can see the network has been connected to your Metamask account. After that, tap on this continue button at the bottom right. Now you can see the new network has been successfully added to your Metamask account. Now you may also tap on the switch network at the bottom right to check if the Mantle network has been added to your wallet or not. Tap on the switch network and tap on got it here. Now you can go to the home page. Here at the top you will find you have successfully added Mantle network to your Metamask wallet. If in case you want to change it to the previous one, you can just tap on this option at the top, and from here you can tap on any one of the network you have previously added. So by following these steps, you should be able to add Mantle network to your Metamask account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.